Want to get rid of sweaty and stinky armpits once and for all? Try MIRADRY. We start by measuring your armpit. Then we use a contraption with 6 needles to inject local anesthetic. Next, we mark your armpit using a special grid. MIRADRY uses microwave energy to destroy your sweat glands so you never sweat again. Say goodbye to sweat stains.